Hello and welcome back to Pocket Power. If you're here, you are probably wondering, should I invest in silver or it's just the poor cousin of gold? Well, grab your tea, coffee, or lemonade because we are here to explore the glitter and the guts of investing in silver. Starting with the very big question, why even bother about silver? Isn't gold already the rock star of metals? Well, silver has its own unique sparkle. Let's explore. One, when inflation makes our rupees shrink, silver retains its value like a solid insurance policy for your money. Second, industrial demand from electronics to solar panels, silver is the superstar of industrial applications. The demand is just rising and soaring. The third is portfolio diversification. Think of silver as that cool friend who doesn't hang out with the stock market crowd. Its low correlation reduces your portfolio's overall risk. Before you get too excited, let's look at the other side of the coin or the bar. The price volatility. Silver can be as moody as your favorite Netflix series, lots of twists and turns. Second, physical silver isn't just shiny, it also needs a safe, secure home. Third, selling silver isn't as quick as flipping stocks, so there is a lower liquidity. And the last is, sorry folks, silver doesn't pay dividends or interest just yet. It just looks pretty. Here's the exciting bit. How can you invest in silver? Here's the treasure map. One, physical silver. You could buy coins, bars, jewelry, tangible and timeless, but remember they need safekeeping and storage. Second is silver ETF. Want to skip the storage headache? ETFs let you invest in silver prices with just a demat account. Quick, easy, and hassle-free. Third is silver futures. High risk, high reward, definitely not for the faint-hearted. Option four is silver mining stocks. Invest in companies that dig for silver. Bonus, you might strike gold here too. And the last is digital silver. Platforms like MMTC or Paytm let you own silver digitally. No vaults, no fuss. Direct investment in silver mining stocks like Vedanta and the other global mining companies helps you spread your investments across multiple stocks. Basic requirements for investing in a silver ETF is your demat trading account. Options to invest would be Nippon India Silver ETF or an ICICI Prudential Silver ETF. This is the best investment option because you don't have to worry about physical storage. You can trade easily. Of course, you need to pay some management fees, which will impact your returns. It's ideal for hassle-free and liquid investments. Here's the million rupee question. Should you invest in silver? I would say yes if you're looking for a portfolio diversification and inflation protection, and if you're ready to play along the long game, and if you love precious metals but want to experiment beyond gold, then yes, go for it. Silver is not suited for you if you are a short-term trader chasing quick profits, if you are already heavily invested in commodities, or you need regular income. Silver doesn't text you with dividends. So take your call accordingly. So, if silver sounds like your new best friend, here's how to play smart. Start small, allocate maybe 5 to 10% of your portfolio overall to silver. Diversify, a mix of physical silver, ETFs, and mining stocks could work as the best strategy. Stay updated, keep an eye on global trends, silver prices, and the drama around them. Choose wisely, uh, choose through reliable platforms so you don't kind of feel cheated or happen to come across any financial frauds. To summarize, I would say silver isn't just shiny, it's smart too. Are you ready to invest in silver or do you prefer sticking to gold? See you guys in the next video. Until then, stay smart, stay shiny. Thank you.